When survival's on the line, the right gear can make all the difference. And it doesn't have to break the bank. Today, we're exploring the 20 best Amazon survival gadgets under $50. Compact, clever, and built for real emergencies. From storm-proof matches to first aid and filtration, these budget-friendly tools prove survival doesn't have to cost a fortune. Let's gear up and get started. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 20. Primal Survival Tent. A storm rolls in fast, and the temperature drops before you can find cover. That's when the Primal Survival Tent proves its worth. Compact, durable, and built for real emergencies. Made from tear-resistant mylar, it reflects up to 90% of your body heat while keeping out wind and rain. The patent-pending doors seal tight for full protection, yet set up in minutes. Lightweight, reusable, and ready for any mission. Yours at $22 today. Number 19. Zippo Typhoon Match Kit. The rain pours, wind howls, and every spark counts. When nature's against you, fire becomes your lifeline. That's where the Zippo Typhoon Match Kit comes in. This rugged kit stores 15 storm-proof matches that can even burn after being submerged in water. Each match lasts up to 30 seconds, giving you reliable flame when it matters most. The waterproof case floats, seals tight with an O-ring, and keeps strike pads bone dry for instant ignition. It even comes with extra pads and refills for lasting reliability. Lightweight, durable, and built for the wild. It retails for $40. Number 18. Venom Extractor Suction Pump. A sudden sting in the wild, you glance down, and panic hits. A snake bite or scorpion sting can turn deadly fast, but the LIVABIT Venom Suction Pump Kit helps you fight back. This compact emergency tool uses a powerful vacuum pump and 4 different suction cups to draw venom from the skin in seconds. It's reusable, easy to operate one-handed, and comes with alcohol pads, a tourniquet, a bandage, and even a CPR mask for full preparedness. Lightweight, durable, and made for the wild. Grab it for only $15. Number 17. Emergency Weather Alert Radio. When the storm knocks out power and silence fills the air, this little hero keeps you connected and calm. Meet the Weather Emergency Radio. Built with a massive 4,000 milliamp-hour battery that lasts twice as long as most, giving you power for days. It's packed with 4 charging options: hand crank, solar, USB, and AAA batteries, plus cables to keep your phone and gear alive. With NOAA weather alerts, AM/FM channels, SOS beacon, and LED lighting, it's a lifeline you can hold in your hand. Compact, lightweight, and IPX3 weather-rated, ready wherever you go. Snag this powerhouse for just $35. Number 16. 14-in-1 Multi-Tool Pliers. When the elements turn against you and plans fall apart, every second counts. That's why having the right tool can mean everything. Meet the 14-in-1 Multi-Tool Pliers, your pocket-sized problem solver built for survival. It packs pliers, blades, screwdrivers, a file, hook remover, can and bottle openers, and more, all secured by a side-lock design for safe use. Crafted for campers, hikers, and adventurers alike, it's durable, lightweight, and folds down for easy carry in its nylon pouch. Compact yet mighty, this multi-tool keeps you prepared anywhere. Yours at $15 today. Number 15. Retractable Folding Knife. Out in the wild, one good blade can mean the difference between stuck and unstoppable. The Fiskars retractable folding knife delivers both strength and precision in one sleek tool. Its one-handed flip design and solid metal body handle any task with ease, while the Carbon Max blade stays razor-sharp up to 24 times longer. Whether you're cutting rope or carving wood, it's built for control and endurance. Grab it for only $18. Number 14. Solar Charger Power Bank. Stranded off-grid with your gear running low? That's when power becomes survival. Engineered for the wild, the Blaver Power Bank is your compact lifeline when the grid gives out. Built with premium lithium-cobalt batteries, it packs 10,000 milliamp hours of reliable energy in a lightweight, pocket-sized design. Charge 3 devices at once using its 20-watt USB-C fast output or Qi wireless pad. Crafted from flame-retardant, waterproof materials, it's made to handle the elements. Plus, dual flashlights and a compass carabiner keep you safe through the night. Snag this adventure-ready lifesaver for just $27. Number 13. Luxtude Collapsible Bucket. Out in the wild, every drop of water counts. Whether you're washing gear, cooling drinks, or cleaning up after camp. The Luxtude Collapsible Bucket is your portable 5-gallon utility station, built from tough 500D waterproof fabric that won't leak or crack, even in cold weather. Its D-ring handle makes pouring smooth and effortless, while the foldable design packs down light into its own carry bag. Made from PVC with a smooth, easy, clean surface, it dries in no time and stays fresh for the next adventure. Snag this for $13. Number 12. Alps Wolf Lantern. The night grows darker, the wind howls, and every shadow feels like it's closing in until a bright beam slices through the black. That's the Alps Wolf 4-in-1 lantern, your all-purpose survival light that adapts to any mission. It switches effortlessly between lantern, flashlight, spotlight, and red emergency strobe, blasting 800 lumens across 1,640 feet. Powered by a 3,600 milliamp-hour rechargeable battery lasting up to 12 hours, it even charges your phone. Lightweight, waterproof, and built for any terrain. Snag it for just $23 and never be left in the dark. Number 11. Cut-resistant gloves. When the job gets dangerous and every move counts, your hands are your lifeline, and protecting them is non-negotiable. That's where the Schwer cut-resistant gloves step in. Built with ANSI, a 9 protection, they deliver the highest level of cut resistance available, guarding your hands from extreme hazards with 360-degree coverage. Their sandy nitrile coating offers unbeatable grip, even in wet or greasy conditions, while the 13-gauge knit keeps them cool and breathable. Reinforced for durability and touchscreen ready for convenience, these gloves redefine safety and comfort. Available for just $16, a small price for serious protection. Number 10. Mylar Rescue Blanket. The wind howls, temperatures drop, and every bit of warmth counts. And in those moments, the ever-ready Mylar Rescue Blanket becomes your lifeline. Made from advanced Mylar, it reflects up to 90% of your body heat, shielding you from cold, rain, and wind. At 54 by 84 inches, it's compact yet full coverage. Lightweight, waterproof, and pocket-sized, it's essential survival gear. Grab it for only $16 and stay warm when it matters most. Number 9. Sport Near Compass. Lost in unfamiliar terrain with the sun sinking fast, your only hope is a steady hand and the right direction. That's where the Sport Near Compass steps in. Engineered for pinpoint accuracy, with a rear sight lens that magnifies the dial for effortless readings. Its rugged metal body is waterproof and shock-proof, built to survive years of harsh outdoor use. Glow-in-the-dark markings guide you even through moonless nights, while the included strap and pouch make it easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're camping, hiking, or hunting, this compass keeps you on course. Snag this for $14 and never lose your way again. Number 8. Maelstrom Cooler Bag. Under the blazing sun, your ice melts fast and drinks turn warm, unless you've packed smart. The Maelstrom Cooler Bag is built to keep everything chilled for up to 12 hours, thanks to its advanced 5-layer insulation system. Its clever double-decker design separates meals from snacks, while the spacious 20-liter capacity holds up to 24 cans with ease. Crafted from durable, leak-proof materials, it's tough enough for every road trip, hike, or beach day. Lightweight, stylish, and collapsible, it's the perfect outdoor companion. Yours at $32 today, because cold drinks shouldn't be a luxury outdoors. Number 7. Paracord Bracelet. Lost in the wilderness as night closes in, one tool on your wrist can make all the difference. The Survival Paracord Bracelet. It packs 20 essentials, including a fire starter, SOS LED light, compass, thermometer, and rescue whistle. The 10-foot paracord supports up to 550 pounds, perfect for emergencies or repairs. Compact, adjustable, and built for survival, it's rugged enough for any adventure and light enough to wear every day. This all-in-one lifesaver is yours for just $10. Number 6. Folding Handsaw. You're deep in the woods, facing a thick branch blocking your path. You reach for a tool that means business, the Flora Guard Folding Saw. Built with a 7-inch high-carbon steel blade and triple-cut razor teeth, it slices through branches up to 4 inches thick with smooth, effortless precision. Its ergonomic handle fits securely in your hand, preventing slips even during powerful pulls. The locking design keeps the blade steady in use and safe when folded. Compact, sharp, and reliable, it's a must-have for any survival kit. Grab this powerhouse for only $10 and cut through anything nature throws your way. Number 5. Windproof Camp Stove. Cold winds whip through camp as you fight to light a flame. Then, one click, and dinner's back on. The Odaland Camp Stove packs serious power in a compact build, with a 3,500-watt burner that boils water in just 3 minutes. Crafted from aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it's windproof, foldable, and easy to carry. With precise flame control and piezo ignition, it's made for any adventure. Grab it for only $30 and master every campsite. Number 4. Emergency Escape Tool. Trapped inside a sinking car with water rising fast. Every second matters. That's when the Emergency Escape Tool becomes your lifeline. This compact 2-in-1 gadget combines a powerful spring-loaded window breaker that shatters glass with a single press and a razor-sharp hidden seatbelt cutter for quick escapes. Its durable metal build and sleek design make it both stylish and essential. Lightweight, easy to mount, and always within reach. It's a small tool that can save your life when danger strikes. Snag this for $13 and stay one step ahead of emergencies. Number 3. Compact First Aid Kit. You're deep in the woods when a sharp branch catches your arm. A small cut, but enough to remind you how fast things can go wrong outdoors. At that moment, the RHINORESCUE First Aid Kit steps in. Packed with 130 high-quality essentials. It covers everything from cuts and burns to sprains and blisters, plus CPR and first aid guides for real emergencies. Its tough EVA shell is water-resistant, lightweight, and compact enough to clip onto a pack or stow in your car. Ready for any adventure? It's yours today for just $26. Number 2. Personal Straw Water Filter. Stranded by a muddy stream with your canteen running low, every drop suddenly matters. In that moment, the personal straw water filter becomes your lifeline. Designed to remove particles, plastics, sand, and even heavy metals down to 0.1 microns, it turns murky water crystal clear. Built to last, it can filter up to 5,000 liters, enough for countless trips. Its removable carbon pack makes cleaning and replacement simple, while the BPA-free, food-grade materials keep every sip safe. Rugged, reliable, and SGS certified. Grab it for only $12. Number 1. Fiskars X7 Hatchet. The sun's fading, and you've got just minutes to split firewood before darkness sets in. That's when the Fiskars X7 hatchet proves its worth. Engineered for power and balance, it delivers clean, effortless swings that split logs up to 3 times deeper. Its proprietary blade-grinding tech keeps the edge razor-sharp, while the fiber comp handle absorbs shock and never loosens. A low-friction coating keeps it from sticking, making every chop smooth and efficient. Tough, ergonomic, and built for years of adventure. Snag this powerhouse for $35. And that wraps up our list of 20 incredible survival gadgets under $50. Proof that being prepared doesn't have to cost a fortune. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more budget-ready survival gear.